Welcome back, everyone. We're going to start out with the question of the day. It says, can I do anything else to hide knots other than bleach? I don't feel comfortable bleaching. I tried concealer, but they are still showing. So I have several videos on my channel where I give different ways you can fake bleach your knots. I like the Perfect Line Swiss. I did a video on that. Also, there are lace tint sprays that I like to use, like from Ebin. But like I said, the best product I've used is the Perfect Line Swiss. I can actually use that product like scalp because it has a thick consistency. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I would highly recommend you go check out that product. You can do a search on it. It's really good for covering knots just because of the consistency. I know a lot of times the powders and the makeup and the concealers really do fade, so I know what you're talking about. But yeah, be sure to leave comments below if you all have any more questions. I will be sure to answer them either in a video or directly. I love to hear your questions and comments. Let's jump right into today's video. All right, let's jump right into this. The wig in today's video will be linked below. It is a beautiful straight texture. I have already bleached the knots and I've lightened this wig with my developer method. I showed you guys that, but I'm excited because we're going to be installing it with the new Ebin Lace Melt Vitamin E spray. Yeah, vitamin E, right? We're going to jump into that later, but this is what the wig looked like. I've already cut the lace so we can focus on installing today's wig. The hairline around this wig, of course, is a super pre-plucked hairline. I love the hairline. It's so natural. And if you choose to bleach the knots, definitely check out my previous video. I gave you guys a detailed tutorial, tips and everything on how to properly bleach your knots so that you can get that scalp appearance. I will be sure to pop it out right here, or you can just go to my YouTube channel and it should be the next video over. Now, if you know, you know. I love to push back the hairline on my wigs before I start any type of installation. Now, I am not wearing the ball cap method. However, a lot of you have been asking me about my method when using the ball cap. I have a video coming up very soon. I'm gonna show you all how I do my ball cap method. But today I'm just wearing the wig cap as is, and I just place the wig over top of everything. So push that hairline back, and then we're gonna jump into the install. Grab some of my Silk Therapy hair serum, just a little bit of it, and apply it all over the hair. And I'm just going to use my blowout dryer to kind of straighten out the hair a little bit more. It had some kinks in it that I wanted to knock out. I really like using this dryer to straighten the hair because it gives texture, and it also just make the hair look so natural. Like it almost gives a natural look to the hair rather than using a flat iron, and it gets the job done faster. So if you want this, I will link it in my Amazon storefront. I have been loving this dryer. I actually have two of them. That's how much I love it. But yeah, it's under $30 and it's a great dryer to have in your collection, especially for your wigs. But look at this, like the hair is so pretty on this wig. And like I said, I lightened it one shade lighter with the developer method. So as you can see, it's brown more so than black. However, if you click the link and you want the natural color, you can definitely get it in that natural black color. But girl, get you that dryer. All right, so make sure the ear tab areas on the wig are cut so that there will not be any lifting from the lace. You want to make sure it's nice and even from ear to ear, and it's not pressing against your ear at all. Now again, make sure all the flyaway strands that's at the hairline is pushed out of the way. You do not want your glue to have a lot of hair strands stuck in it. You definitely want everything to look clean and nice and neat. And also, if you're wearing makeup, of course, make sure that hairline area is clean. All right, so let's jump right into this install. Now, this is the vitamin E infused spray. It's supposed to help protect your edges. This spray is a melting spray, so if you apply it to your wig, it's supposed to help the lace melt onto the scalp and hairline for a really natural finish. I'm only adding 1 layer of spray. Now, with this one, I noticed it dries a little bit faster on cool air than any of their other sprays I have tried, and it instantly grabs the lace. Now, this spray is supposed to be an all-in-one. It's supposed to give scalp care and also melt your lace. Long lasting hold, no residue, make the lace undetectable, and it preserves your edges. That's a plus if you always want to use wig adhesive sprays but you don't want to lose your edges. This is definitely one to put into your collection. I'll take my edge band and apply it around that hairline. This edge band will be linked in the description box if you would like it, and I did let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Now, when it comes to the actual wig itself, I absolutely love this texture because the straight texture is little to no work. It's easy to style, and it's very like a get out the door type of style. And as you've seen with the dryer, it takes no time to get that nice bone straight look that you might like. And as for the parting, of course, you can part this wig anywhere on the lace. This is a 13x6 cap. All right, it's time for the big reveal. Let's look at the hairline and see exactly what's going on. I'm gonna just remove this edge band, and I noticed instantly there was like no sticky residue on the edge band. The hairline looks so good. Like there's no white residue, there's not a mess. And even taking my edge brush and brushing back the hairs, it's not flaking on me or anything. And it feels super secure. Like my lace feels secure and it's melted, as you can see. So as I was doing that, I thought of something. I'm going to take the lace putty, and I did a full review on this. You can go check out that video. You guys show so much love to that video. Let me know what you actually think about these products that I'm sharing. But I'm going to take a little bit of the lace putty, and I'm going to use it to push away the flyaway hairs that's around that hairline. As you can see, there's a lot of hairs, like little strands stuck like in the glue. I don't like that. So I usually create baby hairs here, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to use this lace putty, and look how it just, girl, it just literally just smooths everything. Okay. And I'm just really happy with the products I've been sharing with you guys. And I know I've shared several of them over the past week or so, but I'm giving you all options. So if you don't like one thing, you can try another. And I think I'm going to continue to try out different products just so I can give you guys different options. But this looks really good. Like, I love the Ebin vitamin E spray. Like, I like the way everything look. Now, as far as long term, is what it's going to do for my hairline and everything like that. I actually expect it to protect my edges because I've used a lot of their sprays, and over the past year or so, like, it's been easy for me to maintain my hairline without losing edges when using the wig adhesive sprays. And if this one has vitamin E in it, then I'm pretty sure it's going to be really good and gentle on the hairline. Now, as far as growth and all that, I don't think it'll do that. However, you do still need to make sure that you are taking precautions. You're not snatching your wigs off your head. You want to make sure you wet the hairline with water to remove the adhesive and then take your wig off. I know it's been a trend. I see a lot of girls snatching their wigs off. Hey, if they don't like their hairlines, they don't like them, but we like our hairlines over here, so we're not doing that. But yeah, overall, I love how everything turned out. You guys, drop me some comments below. Let me know what products or wig adhesive I should try next for these wigs, and also be sure to thumbs up the video. I appreciate you guys so much for joining me back for today's video and all the love you've been giving to my recent videos, and I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. All links will be below.